Hello financial fans, another week gone by and the performance for my portfolio was down a little bit this past week. We're in February already of 2023. Hard to believe that is the year, but that's the year that we're into. And I did not buy or sell any stocks this past week, but the year-to-date performance for the diamonds, Dow Industrial Average so far this year, up 1.91%. So they're doing all right. And S&P 500 index, year-to-date it's up 6.75%. That's really great. But QQQ, the NASDAQ, the total NASDAQ is up 13.86% year to date. That is phenomenal. My stocks did go down this past week. They went down in value a little bit, a lot actually. I'm still up for the year. Year to date, my stocks, my portfolio is up 3.57%. So all the indexes, including my own portfolio, are doing well, considering that if we have the same type of performance for the rest of the year, we will have a very good year indeed in the stock market. But we shall see what happens as the year progresses. And we're going to look at some stocks that have some interesting numbers. I don't dig deeply into these numbers, but on the surface they look good. If you ever do get into buying or selling stocks, do your own research or have someone that is a financial advisor type person look at stocks and see what you think is right. I'm just showing you some stocks to consider, to maybe take a closer look at. And we're going to begin with a stock that has a symbol BBD, and that's banking stock, Banco Bradesco SA. And so BBD for the current time period, it's selling at $2.73 a share. It was up 1 penny in value this past trading day, Friday, but low price stock, and $2.73. It traded, we look at the average volume, the left-hand column all the way down to the bottom, the average volume, 37 million shares trading every day on the average, and this stock is considered near fair value. The 52-week range, the low was $2.43 per share, and the high was $4.74 per share. And we take a look in the middle column, third item down, PE ratio 7.56. I like stocks that have a PE ratio less than 10, so that is the case here. Earnings per share, 36 cents is what they have earned per share. The forward dividend and yield, they yield 7.2%, which is a pretty good yield. Not quite enough to keep up with inflation, but pretty close. And the 1-year target estimate for BBD, $3.78. Now we move on, take a look at a stock with the symbol BHP. Then that's for BHP Group Limited. The stock currently is selling at $66.44 per share, and the 52-week range, 2/3 of the way down the column on the left, the low for the past 52 weeks was $46.92 per share, and the high was $71.52 per share. Currently it's $66.44 for BHP. PE ratio 8.33, so that's less than 10. I like that. And the forward dividend and yield, here's another stock that's giving out a pretty good yield, 9.78%, and that is a very good yield indeed. And they do that with $6.50 out of their earnings per share of $7.98. The 1-year target estimate, $70.88, so that would be a nice move upward. Next we look at a stock that I own, OMF, One Main Holdings Incorporated, currently selling at $44 after hours. It closed Friday at $44.51 per share, and then went down to $44 per share after hours. The 52-week range, $28.77 was the low for OMF, and $52.99 was the high for the past 52 weeks. The average volume, a little over 1,300,000 shares trade every day. This stock is considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio, 6.54, so that indeed is under 10. And the forward dividend and yield, 9%, very high yield there. And the 1-year target estimate, $52.31 per share, so this could be a growth stock. We shall see as time goes by. The last stock we'll look at today, Uniti Group Incorporated, and the symbol is UNIT, UNIT, $5.94 per share, so it's a low-cost stock. And after hours it went up to $6.03 per share, $6 for this stock per share. The 52-week range, $5.34 was the low and $14.25 was the high during the past 52 weeks. The average volume, 2.5 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. PE ratio under 10, 8.03, 8.03 is the PE ratio, so that is under 10. And look at that forward dividend and yield, 10%, 10.03%. And the 1-year target estimate, $9.65. That would be a huge move upwards. And I thank you very much for watching.